I decided to run down here to Salt Lake, see what's going on at the temple. This is the office building, the church office building, and then the temple. God, you got some kids in the back. Temple's being redone. This is the Salt Lake Temple. Used to be one of the biggest structures here in Salt Lake, and they're totally redoing it. They're making it earthquake safe. So there's scaffolding all around it. They don't have the top on. It just looks so weird. But I kind of wanted to see what they were doing down here with this. So that's what's going on. But we've got big mouths over here, and then, like I said, the church office building. And the state capitol's right behind there. Let's see if I can get that. These kids are driving me crazy. All right. Hold on. I do this once or twice a year. And the state capitol building is right over there. You can see it as I get run over. All right. Everybody have a good Friday night. Now I'm going to go get a drink. Bye, guys.